Welcome to GitHub Trending Repos for today. We have a lot to cover today, so let's get started. Number 6, Switchyard. 408 new stars today. Switchyard solves the lock-in problem when coding agents like Claude Code or Codex can only speak one API dialect, but you want to run them against open source models behind VLLM or Ollama. It acts as a transparent protocol translator and traffic router, preserving the agent's native OpenAI or Anthropic format, while letting you silently swap backends for cost savings, benchmarking, or staged rollouts. The library path is technically interesting because it decouples routing logic from HTTP transport entirely. You get typed, composable algorithms that decide which model to call without owning the network stack, so you can drop them into an existing proxy or gateway. Number 5, Spiderfoot. 283 new stars today. Spiderfoot automates the tedious process of running OSINT queries across hundreds of data sources, so security teams can map their external attack surface or investigate threats in minutes rather than days. Its 200-plus modules operate in a publisher/subscriber model that chains results together, for example, extracting a domain from an email address, then finding subdomains, open ports, and data breaches without manual correlation. Unlike closed-source platforms, you can self-host it for unlimited scans, add custom Python modules, and inspect every data source integration under an MIT license. Number 4, holehe. 195 new stars today. When investigating an email address during a security assessment or OSINT gathering, you need to know which online services are linked to it without tipping off the target. Holehe solves this by silently querying over 120 platforms using their forgotten password flows, which leak account existence without sending any notification to the mailbox owner. Its async Python architecture and structured JSON output make it trivial to embed in larger reconnaissance pipelines or link analysis tools like Maltego. Number 3, unsloth. 328 new stars today. Running and fine-tuning large language models locally usually means juggling multiple command line tools, brittle Python environments, and GPU driver headaches. Unsloth packages all of that into a single native desktop app that handles inference, training, and deployment for LLMs and diffusion models across CPU, NVIDIA, AMD, Intel, and Apple Silicon without manual configuration. It also exposes local models to tools like Claude Code and Codex through built-in MCP support, letting you integrate private AI into your existing development workflow immediately. Number 2, FluidVoice. 76 new stars today. FluidVoice puts real-time, on-device speech-to-text on macOS using NVIDIA's Parakeet models, so your voice data never leaves your machine and you avoid the recurring costs of cloud dictation services. It combines a zero-latency transcription engine with an optional local AI enhancement layer that handles smart formatting, context-aware capitalization, and post-processing without any API keys or network calls. If you've been paying for Wispr Flow or similar tools and want a fast, private alternative that you can install with a single homebrew command, this is worth pulling down and testing immediately. Number 1, Needle. 769 new stars today. Needle is a 14 megabyte foundation model that runs tool calling and structured extraction directly on phones, wearables, and other tiny devices where cloud latency or connectivity is unacceptable. It replaces the need for a remote LLM API by executing entirely on-device within a bounded 28 megabytes of RAM, using a sliding window and pinned key value sinks to keep memory constant regardless of conversation length. The model is technically notable for its 2-bit quantized simple attention network architecture, which includes a byte-level grammar compiler that constrains every generated token to valid JSON for your schemas, and a calibrated confidence head that lets you programmatically decide when to act or escalate.